Alright, now we finished the bottom layer already, and right now we need to finish the middle layer here. So in the middle layer part, we look for the cross, the yellow cross at the top, to find out which part is not, which block is not yellow yet. Like this one, we have yellow, so we don't want that. So this one is a good example because there's no yellow side at all. And we match this one to the middle one. Like this one is already matched. And so for this one, we need to move this block either to this side or this side. So let's check. The blue side, which side is the blue side? This is green, so that's not correct. This side is blue side. Okay, so this block needs to go to the left down. 左下. And we have a formula. If this block needs to go here, and we use the left formula. If this block needs to go right here, and then we use the right formula. In this case, it's left. Okay. Can you go like this? 左下右上3，左下3次，右上2次。Left, down once. Left, down twice. Left, down 3 times. Okay, 右上 right, up, right, up. Okay, then we see this block going to the correct position. Okay, now this one is orange and green. Where's the green? Where's the orange? Turn it. Turn the top layer. Okay, look for an orange one. No, this one match. Yes. Okay, match. Okay, so orange and green. Which side is the green side? This side. Okay. So this block needs to go here. Okay. And then we use, because it's left down, so left side, so we use the left formula. Let's do it. 左下 left down, 左下 second time, 左下 3 times. Now 右 right up, right up. Okay, there we go. Now this is yellow, so we are done with this one. Look for another one. So this is orange. Which side is the orange one? Okay, here. And blue is here. So this one needs to go 右下 right down. 右下 the right formula. Okay, go. Right down 3 times. Right down. One more. Right down. Okay, and left up, left up. Okay, good. So it comes here. So this one, okay. This one is green, match, and the red needs to go here. So let's switch. 左下右上 left down, left down, left down for 3 times. 右上 right up, right up. Okay, there we go. It's down, and then this is the last one, I believe. Oh no, there's one more here. Oh no, sorry, this one has green. This one has yellow, so we don't touch it. This one has yellow. Okay, now we have a tricky situation. Almost, the second layer is almost done, but there's one. Oh no, actually the second layer is already done. See? Congratulations. Now we have the top layer remaining.